Lagi Dubai. Say something, Daddy Daddy.
Hello?
It's early.
It's 3:30 in the morning and it's sunshine.
It's a bit strange.
It's good looking me. We're on the flight to Dubai.
4 hours.
That's where you go to. Bye. Well, there's a plane, there's a wing, and we has flaps.
Oh, when we get there, yeah.
That's flaps too. Someone needs to clean the flaps thing. Someone needs to clean the flaps. I can see the ground. Well, I hope so. Ooh, desert. Miles and miles and miles.
Yeah.
And even more miles of desert.
Yes, there's a lot of desert down there.
Cold water has been longer than the government straight up there. So you've got over checked like all the companies. I said come down and sorry.
The flaps. You think the flaps are quite big?
Yeah, aren't they?
Sky cam.
Houses there.
Eek. Houses. Houses and mouses. Buildings. And there's a road. Laddie gets there.
Yeah, going down much.
They touched the landing gear down. The landing. Cutting landing.
Yeah. As much we're going to see of Dubai.
Yeah. Oh well, we get to see a little building. There's a. I think I can see a mosque. Where's the Khalifa? I don't know.
It's quite built up.
We're landing. with a little Qantas A380. Wow, look how humidity it is. There's mosques everywhere.
There must be mosques everywhere here.
I think we're landing.
Through the cars, rush hour.
Yeah.
Early morning rush hour.
Oh, look at that motorway. There's another mosque. There's a train track.
Yeah, station.
Oh wow.
There's traffic jam, they're all queuing.
Yeah. I thought the train. Trust needs to stop the early train. Oh look at this, we're landing. Cracky. Ooh. Whee! That's what I was saying, we should have said the same. Yeah.
What's the take-off speed to have lift-off?
And it's at about 140 knots, or 150 knots, I think. Slightly faster than landing speed, 130 knots.
What's that mean in miles per hour?
And I don't know, could convert the. Do you like the new terminal?
Oh, right. Is this one that's got the best reviews?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
That's the 777 one, I think. No, that's the A380 one. That's got 777 on it. So that's probably the A380 that we saw flying over us.
Oh, yeah.
Or that one, or that one, or...
They overtook us.
I think, yeah, we were on junction 13, so I guess he overtook us.
Welcome to Dubai. The local time here is just approaching 7:30 on the morning of Thursday the 20th of February. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is handy, you can now switch it off. If you're continuing on another Qantas or Emirates flight, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. Please follow the red connection signs through the security checkpoint and head upstairs. If you don't have a boarding pass, you'll need to make your way to the central connection desks. Qantas or Emirates ground staff will be available and are happy to help. If your next flight is at a different concourse, you'll need to make the short journey on the SkyTrain to your gate. Do keep an eye on the screens and leave plenty of time to get to your gate. Boarding announcements are not made in Dubai. If you're staying in Dubai, simply follow the blue arrivals baggage reclaim signs. On arrival at the terminal, everyone must leave the aircraft. During the transit, your cabin baggage cannot stay on board. Make sure you take your passport, ticket and boarding pass for reboarding. The aircraft will be cleaned. Make sure you remove personal items from your seat and seat pocket. This flight continues as the QF2 EK5002 and departs at 9:55. Boarding will commence just after 9. Take care when opening overhead lockers, bags may have moved and could fall out. Remember to check your seat and seat pocket for personal items. Once the seatbelt sign's off, you'll be leaving through the forward left-hand doors. Just a reminder, smoking is not permitted unless there's a designated smoking area in the terminal. Once again, remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. We do hope you've enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Remember, when planning your next trip, make your first destination Qantas.com. Thank you and good morning.
Maybe Woody sooner than you think, 'cause we're going the same flight next time.
The same thing.
Here we are, Dubai, and that's about all you're gonna see at Dubai.
Yeah. See a lot.
And there's another plane. Oh wow, the brand new weatherist plane. That's EEL. Yeah, I guess it's before everyone else does. I do kind of cheat though. Wonder why this 777's at the A380 only turning off.
Stands up room anywhere else.
A pair of sunglasses have been found on board during the flight. If you've lost your sunglasses, please let one of the crew know as you disembark. Thank you.
Not mine. Well, I don't think they are. We kind of do look at our place with all these Emirates planes.
Yes, you do. You had sleep.
It's very smoggy.
Yes.
Here we are. Welcome to where we
The
are.
crew disarm doors.
That's another, where's the cross-check, Dad? See, you were wondering what you asked me once. Well, cross-check means disarm doors the same thing.
Yeah.